The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks the celebrated return of one of the most iconic nameplates in automotive history. Revered for its elegant styling and timeless design, the original Karmann Ghia blended European sports car aesthetics with the reliability of a Volkswagen Beetle. Now, nearly half a century after its production ended, the 2025 iteration reimagines this legend for the modern age, combining nostalgia with innovation. Volkswagen's bold move to revive the Karmann Ghia is not merely a tribute to the past, but a strategic push toward offering a stylish and emotional alternative in the increasingly competitive compact coupe segment. The exterior of the 2025 Karmann Ghia pays homage to the original car's curvaceous silhouette, while adopting contemporary design cues that align with Volkswagen's current design philosophy. At first glance, the car retains the low-slung profile and graceful lines that made the classic Ghia a design icon. The front fascia features slim LED matrix headlights integrated seamlessly into the curved hood, giving it a futuristic yet familiar look. Smooth contours flow uninterrupted from the front to the rear, where a subtly raised rear deck and full-width taillight bar add a modern touch. Chrome accents on the window surrounds, grille elements, and door handles evoke the spirit of the 1960s model while remaining understated and refined. Buyers can choose from a variety of retro-inspired colors, including sunburst yellow, glacier blue, and candy apple red, all of which enhance the coupe's classic charm. Optional two-tone paint schemes with contrasting roofs complete the nostalgic aesthetic. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is offered with both traditional and electrified powertrains. The base variant features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 228 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This configuration delivers brisk acceleration and responsive handling, especially when combined with the car's lightweight chassis and rear-wheel drive layout. For enthusiasts seeking a more eco-conscious option, Volkswagen also offers a fully electric Karmann Ghia variant, equipped with a 77 kW battery pack and a single rear-mounted motor generating 282 horsepower. The EV version boasts an estimated range of up to 300 miles on a single charge and supports DC fast charging that can recharge the battery from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes. The car's suspension setup has been fine-tuned for spirited driving without compromising everyday comfort, and regenerative braking in the EV model enhances energy efficiency during urban driving. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia blends vintage flair with cutting-edge technology. The cabin is driver-focused, featuring a minimalist dashboard with soft touch materials, contrast stitching, and aluminum accents. A 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen takes center stage, running Volkswagen's latest MIB4 software with support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital cockpit behind the steering wheel displays customizable driving data, navigation, and media settings. Retro-inspired toggle switches and rotary knobs are scattered tastefully throughout the interior, evoking the tactile charm of the original model. The seats are upholstered in a mix of vegan leather and recycled fabrics, offering excellent support for both spirited drives and long commutes. Despite its coupe proportions, the Karmann Ghia provides a surprisingly spacious cabin with generous headroom and legroom for front passengers and a small but usable rear seat. Cargo space is practical for a coupe, and the EV variant benefits from an additional front trunk. Pricing for the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia starts at approximately $39,500 for the base turbocharged gasoline model. The fully loaded GT trim, featuring adaptive dampers, a panoramic glass roof, upgraded sound system, and premium interior appointments, is priced around $47,000. The electric Karmann Ghia starts at $45,000 and can climb to about $52,000 with all available options. Volkswagen's pricing strategy positions the Karmann Ghia as a more emotional and design-driven alternative to traditional coupes like the BMW 2 Series or Audi A3, while also appealing to EV buyers looking for something unique and stylish. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is more than a revival. It's a reinvention. It successfully captures the nostalgic essence of the original while meeting modern expectations in technology, safety, and performance. By offering both combustion and electric options, Volkswagen has widened the car's appeal and demonstrated a commitment to versatility and sustainability. Its sleek design, engaging driving dynamics, and tastefully retro interior make it a compelling option for style-conscious drivers who value individuality. The new Karmann Ghia isn't just a car. It's a statement, a tribute to automotive history, and a bold vision of what a classic can be in the 21st century.